Hey, what's up? This is Sam from AI for Marketers, and on this video we're gonna do a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Pika AI. And we're gonna cover every single feature Pika AI has to offer, from generating videos with images or text prompts to creating your own sound effects for your videos. This is a perfect guide for you if you want to learn how to use Pika. So let's dive in. Okay, so this is the landing page. We see the About Us, Careers, and Discord pages. Video on Command, Pika is the idea to video platform that sets your creativity in motion. This is basically a landing page, right? We can see like every option like that Pika offers. Okay, so let's sign up. This is the first thing we see when we get to Pika, like the Explore page. So this is my profile, Samuel Profan. You can see here my profile, pricing. What we can see here is that there's the basic plan with 250 initial credits. There's a refill of credits every month, and you can do lip sync audio generation. And also you can download videos. We're gonna use this plan today. We don't need the other ones yet. The standard one is 700 credits. You can upscale the videos. There's no watermark. This is the most important thing in my opinion. And you can extend the video length of whatever creation you do. There also is the $35 a month option. It gives you unlimited generations and 2000 credits for hardcore generations, basically. And of course, the pro option to create whatever you want and as much as you want. So this is Pika's interface. We can explore. This is what other people have made. Like there's a frog there, a rabbit. It's like a rainbow cat. That's Rainbow Cat. Remember that meme? Dude, wow. Yeah, I'm old, dude. But this is great. This is some of the creations that people have been making. Like you can see there the ships. There's like this guy and the it looks like Scotland or something. Okay, let's try to use it ourselves though. Let's go to my library. We can see here that we can generate, describe your story. We can upload an image or a video, and we can change the style of whatever creation we want. We can also add sound effects. And this, in my opinion, the advanced options is by far the best feature Pika has. The amount of things we can play with in the advanced options bar. We have the camera control, rotate, zoom, aspect ratio, negative prompts, which is basically whatever you don't want your video to look like. The scene number, which is a tool to create a new video related to a prior one. So let's say that you created one video that you really liked with AI. That video is going to have a seed number. And now if you want to create another video that is super similar to that one, you will need to use the seed number from the first video to relate it to this new one. We can also edit the frames per second from 8 to 24 frames per second. We can play with the strength of the motion, so how much do we want our image to be moving, and the consistency with the text. You want it following your guidelines exactly how you describe them, or do you want to just write a short prompt and Pika will be creative and just generate whatever it wants? So let's play a little bit with this. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna create a video from scratch. So let's press style, and we can see here all the options Pika has as templates. So anime, moody, 3D, watercolor, natural, claymation, which I don't know what that means. I think it's like based on clay, I guess. Clay animation. And then black and white. We're gonna use anime, and we're gonna do warrior in ancient Rome fighting the Vikings. We want the anime thing, and we want the aspect ratio to be 16:9, which means horizontal. Let's use 24 frames per second because I want it to be like natural. And negative prompt, ugly, bad, terrible. Yeah, let's use those ones because those were the examples. Okay, strength of motion, we're gonna do 2 because we wanted the image to be moving. And consistency with the text, I would leave that, I think, there. Like, yeah. Okay, yeah. Let's play with it. Let's go. And generate. Okay, your video is generating. We're gonna play with Pika a lot, dude, because this AI is by far one of the most advanced on video creation. I know the OpenAI guys are working a lot on Sora, which is basically the most, advanced video generator AI, but that's not open to the public yet. So basically the battle on video is between Pika, Kling, and Runway. And we're gonna do a tutorial on every single feature of those 3 softwares. Starting with this one, with Pika. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so it generated our video here. Okay, it's a bit weird. We see a sword there, but it's like kind of, yeah, doesn't look that good, that first one. Let's try another of the videos, because yeah, that's the other cool thing about Pika is that it generates 4 videos for each prompt we do. Okay, that one was weird also. Didn't love that one. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that's closer to what I want. Good. let's do this. Anime style portrait of a male warrior in ancient Rome going to battle. Let's use that one, and let's modify a bit the motion thing, and I think the thing was moving too much, and let's put the frames per second in 16 frames per second. Let's eliminate the negative prompts because I think that might be affecting the thing, and let's do it again. Okay, so now I generated a new video, and this is much more what I'm looking for, right? We can see here the ancient Rome style anime character, and that's pretty much what I wanted Pika to generate. Okay, so now that we have our original video, let's play with it. The first thing I want to show you guys is the expand canvas option. This option is great, and I think Pika is the only one that has this optionality. So let's say that now I want the video to be like vertical. We would just place the expand canvas and then pick the vertical one and generate it. And there you go, we have the vertical video right here. That's amazing, dude. This is great. Okay, so now let's play with the modify region option. Let's add the Zeus face in the sky. So that's the only thing I want to add there. Zeus face in the sky. That was great. It's generating the video now. Okay, so now that we have a video, beautiful ancient Rome, warrior in anime style, we can now generate something from an image we upload. So what we're gonna do is let's use an image from Midjourney or whatever. Okay, so now we have something here. 25-year-old male runner training for a marathon, brown hair, landscape shot, for realistic. This guy is exactly like me. Yeah, dude, I can be like that. I'm gonna be like that. Yeah. Like, that's me in 3 months, dude. Okay, so let's upload our image right here. There you go. And let's describe the type of motion we want our image to have. Guy runs towards the camera. And let's modify here what we want. Strength of motion. 1. Perfect. We want the thing to zoom out. We would like the aspect ratio. Smooth movement. Let's put that one there. Smooth movement, because we want the image to be like super cool. There you go, generate. Okay, so there's our creation. Let's see how it went. Okay, so it sucks. Dude, it understood what I was trying, to make. Like, the guy's running, right? So I think it was probably my prompt, and also like you can understand all of these image generators and video generators are very early in their development. So we need to understand now how to use these type of tools, but also at the same time understand that it's not at the level we can just input any prompt and have a movie ready for us yet. But let's try to do the same. Let's reprompt this. Subject is running. Smooth movement. Let's do that one and add a sound effect. Okay, so now there's our second generation. Weirder somehow. This is not perfect in every sense. Add running motion towards the camera. Let's add that one. Let's eliminate smooth movement. And we also will want this thing to be super consistent with the text. So let's try that. And let's eliminate the zoom effect and try for it to have a better input. Generate. Okay, so we have our last one. Let's pray that this one is better. I'm trying the best to have my prompt. What? Okay, it's not working out. I think the type of motion I wanted to make is like too difficult. I don't think the AI is ready for a running type of motion yet. But it's nice to know that we have the optionality. These are, in my opinion, the best features of Pika AI. The modify region, the expand canvas, and the sound effects. We also have the lip sync, which is this tool for making any character we have there say anything we want, and also the upscale option. But those two are for the basic or standard plans. So what I would recommend is that if you're a beginner, just start with the normal plan and play a little bit with this type of software because the models are not super developed yet. Meaning, if you upload an image and you don't know how to prompt right, it's gonna be very difficult to get the video you want. Also, we're in 2024. By 2025, I'm sure this software is gonna be, a total different thing. And it's gonna be much, much better. So there you have it. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If it was, you can subscribe here or watch another tutorial on another AI tool here. Till the next one, see ya.